This is Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And today I'm going to show you something really cool that I kind of figured out by accident. And one of the things that we did, especially with the older versions of WordPress, the most is how to get just exactly what we want to show up on these tabs, just so we have just those things and nothing else showing up to make it easy for people to navigate, because it's very important that they be able to navigate our website and that the buttons that we want and the things we want very visible or very visible. And sometimes you may have something that's actually on another site instead of your WordPress site. It may be a second WordPress site. Let me show you an example here. Here's my website, Boomer Empowerment. There's not a whole lot on it right now. I'm going to add more to it once I get the WordPress site up and running. And right now it's taking a lot of time to get all these tutorials and videos made, so I'm going to get that up first and then I'll go back and work on the other. But as you can see, if you were to click on the My Land or the WordPress 101, both of those will take you to another website. It's another WordPress site. My video is not going up that far right now, but if you look up at the top of the URL, this one says boomerempowerment.com/WordPress101. Now, as to how I got it to show up over there was very, very simple. As you can see in the directory of the Boomer Empowerment, there's a slash and there's another directory that is called WordPress 101. And that is where a whole another version of WordPress is installed. You can see the admin, the contents, the includes, and the other pages that go with it showing up down here. Now that is something that I did when I installed it. You can actually do an automatic install, make me a new directory with that on IX, and you can also do that on several other web hosts. Just click a few buttons and have a new one set up, except it'll be on your domain name slash and another name. Now to get this up on the menu bar, on this menu bar, the main menu bar is showing the pages and the pages that I have there. And what I did is I created a page and I named the page WordPress space 101. And then on the slug, here you can see the slug. I edited the slug so it's just WordPress 101, no space. So it's named exactly the same as the folder on my web host that hosted the other site. And then I hit save. Once I did that, I had a link to my other site. Very cool, very easy. This also works if you wanted to add a forum to your website. Maybe you're going to have your website.com/ and you might open a new folder and call it forum. And your web host, a lot of web hosts has things that you can click on and it will start a forum for you. If you want to run a forum and have that on, you could also just, once it's set up, it can show up on your website if you just add a page with the name of that directory. If the directory is named forum, then you could just put a page named forum and save it and have that page show up on your main page menu here, and it will show up. Now, not to worry, sometimes you may have a website and maybe it doesn't have the same domain name. Maybe it's on another domain, some other thing you want to link to. Well, if you want to do that, that can be done. We have custom menus on most of the newer WordPress themes that work well, and I'm going to put a link just below this video, and so you can go ahead and add things that way. Anyway, it makes it very easy to have WordPress the way you want it. Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers. Have a great day.